Hey guys, so I've been warning you about this unboxing for almost a week now, but it finally came last night, so now I'm going to do it for you now. I've got it here, and it came in a just a plain white box, and so you really can't get a sneak preview of what's going on here. So let me get this done. This is the first time I've ever done an unboxing, so I'm not really good at the camera angles, etc. Get the knife the right way here. Some of you guys, I think, already know what this is. If you had one of these, you'll recognize this incredible white box here. Okay, there it is. What is it? I don't know. Well, it should be. Let's see. Now, what am I going to do now? I'm going to cut the box up. Let's see. And I'm outside here on my back patio. This is where I'm going to be doing this operation, I think. If it works out the way I want it. Here in San Diego, the weather's pretty good most of the time, so I can get away with doing it out here all year round, I think. So let's see what we got going on here. Watch out for my knife. Okay, there you go, guys. It's a toaster oven. It looks like a toaster oven, doesn't it? I don't know if you can see the logo through this plastic or not. First thing I see is a stop. It's not showing the logo, but here it is. Okay, so what I have here is a Behmor coffee roaster, 2000 AB plus, latest version from them for the United States version for 110 volt systems, and I'm pretty excited about it. I was trying not to show you that box over there, this other box over here, because that would have given it away. But I got this from, I'll show you. I'm going to open that box too. You know, it's me, I'm always blocking the camera. Sorry, guys. This is the box from Sweet Maria's, as you can see. And there it is. Sweet Maria's. And this is 8 pounds of coffee that they sent you as a part of the package for the coffee roasting. I've never roasted coffee before, and so I'm very excited about it. I've been watching YouTube videos, and I downloaded the manual for this this version. Here comes the fire department. My old buddy's coming here to get a cup of coffee. But anyway, I've been watching the videos, and the manual is a 20-page manual. That's not too hard to read, and it's pretty easy stuff. But it tells everything you need to know about this thing. It's the whole thing is a fire hazard if you don't watch out for it. Those of you guys, I know Dane and Andre have this very same model. I think Dane probably has the one that's made for the UK and other places besides the United States. But they work the same way, just on different power. So anyway, let's open this up. Linda, you'd be happy to know that I split the order here. It's 8 pounds of coffee, but 4 pounds of it is decaf coffee, and I've got go. Careful not to punch the bags in there. It's 4 pounds of decaf and 4 pounds of caffeine, regular caffeinated green beans here, and here they are. There's 8 pounds of it in here, and from Sweet Maria's, and this is Sumatra Ake Farmers. I don't know if you can see that or not. SWP decaf green beans, and what I received as the regular is Ethiopia Nano Chala Cooperative from Sweet Maria's. Anyway, that's my unboxing. I'm very excited about it. You know, I really have to look through the manual again. They say people say that have had this for a while. You really need to read the manual and read through it a second time to make sure you really understand it. And Sweet Maria's has some of the best YouTube videos on coffee and coffee beans and coffee roasting and all about the origins of coffee that I have seen, and I've seen quite a few. So you might want to take a look at Sweet Maria's YouTube page, YouTube site, because they really have great stuff. So I got Vabe as my camera person. Push the button to end it, and thank you so much. And maybe next time you see it, I'll be roasting some coffee.